Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we're talking about the step-by-step setup process for the ASUS RT-AX1800HP dual-band Wi-Fi 6 router. Step 1. Unboxing and connecting. Let's start by unboxing the router. Inside, you'll find the router itself, a power adapter, an Ethernet cable, and some paperwork. Connect the power adapter to the router and plug it into a power outlet. Step 2. Hardware setup. Now, let's set up the hardware. Place the router in a central location for optimal coverage. Connect the power adapter to the router and plug it into a power outlet. Next, take one end of the Ethernet cable and connect it to the WAN port on the router. The other end should be connected to your modem or internet source. Step 3. Initial login. Once everything is connected, power on the router. Wait for the power LED to stabilize, indicating that the router is ready. Now, grab your computer or mobile device and connect to the Wi-Fi network broadcasted by the router. The default SID and password are usually printed on a label on the router itself. Step 5. Setting up. Open a web browser on your device. In the address bar, type in http://192.168.1.1 or http://192.168.0.1 and press enter. This will take you to the router's login page. Enter the username and password. By default, both are often set to admin. Step 7. Finish setup. After setting up your Wi-Fi, you can explore other settings like firmware updates, guest networks, or parental controls depending on your needs. Don't forget to save your changes. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe the channel.